Ringwood Fencing has specialised in the fencing industry for over 25 years. Our whole team is committed to delivering the best quality, service and value in everything that we do. We specialise in the supply and installation of all types of fencing and gates for a wide range of applications. Whether it's a new build, commercial or domestic fence installation, our fence installers are amongst the most experienced in the business. We undertake a wide range of installations, from a simple garden gate to perimeter fences for sports fields and complete housing estates. We are also members of the Fencing Contractors Association and hold a Safe Contractor certificate. We are also CHAS and SSIP accredited, with a valid waste transfer licence issued by the Environment Agency to comply with the legislation of transporting waste generated by our business activities. Our showroom in Chester has a huge range of products, styles and materials on display, which features an upstairs display area for viewing our extensive range of products. Additionally, from our superstore, we supply a variety of products including quality timber, tools, landscaping supplies, garden furniture, garden storage, decking and pet products and feed. Our highly skilled joiners can interpret and create bespoke designs from our dedicated workshop to give your property a completely unique finish. We ensure that every fencing panel and gate we make is constructed from the finest quality timber in Cheshire and is also subject to our strict quality checks. If you'd like to know about Ringwood Fencing or have any questions about our range of products, get in touch today.